Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Oh, excuse me. Today's coin is a £5 coin review. Has the it has the Queen Elizabeth II's fifth portrait, the JC portrait, and then on the other side it's a coin I've been waiting a while for, and it is the Tutenkharmum coin. Just over 100 years ago now. This is the 100th year since the discovery of King Tut's, or Pharaoh Tutenkharmun's, his well viewed funeral rites and funeral all stuff that's put into his tomb with him. There's some absolutely stunning stuff. This coin that celebrates that incident is a beautiful coin. It's probably one of my favourite coins of the year. Just look at it. You've got the famous almost death mask view of him. It's got him with his headdress on. The portrait itself is instantly recognisable, and then you've got the serpent in the crown serpent, which was one of the things that the pharaohs had. As I said, I think this coin is stunning. It's by far, I'd say, in the top 2 or 3 coins of the year for me, easily. I love history, as people you've possibly known if you've followed the channel for a while, but this is something just a little bit extra. Earlier on, around about the time of the discovery 100 years ago, I think it was the beginning of November, Sierra Leone had, I think there were 3 coins that they brought out which showed various things to do with the tomb itself, various finds that they had in the tomb. Then they had a pyramid shaped coin which had the death mask of Tutenkharmun, and it was in full colour. I actually think this coin works better as a Cooper nickel without any colour. I think if you bought in colour to this, I'm not sure if you would add anything extra, which is what you're after when you view a coloured coin. The design on this is so good, and the production has been so good. It doesn't need that splash of colour to make it even more special. I'm not sure whether it would be any better if they just brought out maybe the facial area, like the death mask. I'm not sure whether that's, I don't think that's needed on this coin. Tell me, what do you think of this coin? We've been waiting a long time for it. It was announced about 3 months ago that it was due out, and it kept on being delayed, and I was wondering whether we'd get it by the end of this year. But I'm so glad we have, and I think it's absolutely stunning. However, what do you think? Am I being over enthusiastic about it in your opinion? Would you rate it in the top 3 or 4 coins that you've seen released this year? I would say, personally, it's my favourite coin of the year. Tell me if you disagree. What would be your coin of the year? I know Change Checker are running a for the favourite coins of the year. I hope this one does well from a personal point of view. Okay, that ends this review. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, could you please give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't already done so, I would be absolutely delighted if you subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, militaria, and also some collectibles rather. Okay, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.